Hello friends, there is some good news for the construction industry in which the government has relaxed certain regulations for the construction, especially for the construction which required immediate attention and which required protective attention for the monsoon. So pre-monsoon urgent constructions are allowed as per the new GR which is heading with us, issued from the Ministry of Forest and Revenue, Government of Maharashtra, which says that pre-monsoon urgent repairs will be allowed with certain conditions. The GR is very long and it gives some relaxation to the work, which includes plinth work, waterproofing work, structural repairs, basement, dam proofing and other things. So there will be two parts. The main building work, which has already been sanctioned by the government, by the authorities, will be allowed after getting proper pre-permission from the agencies. Like you have to apply to those people along with those papers and along with your architects or engineers later that the repairs are very essential and very urgent for safeguarding the structure from the landslide or other disaster effects. So in that you will be applying to the corporation with a request that you want to complete the work before monsoon, otherwise you will be in the huge losses along with your engineers and architects later. So they will be issuing the letter, they will be issuing the permission, conditional permission to you for completing the project up to certain level. Whereas in the second case, for structural repairs, you need to apply the structural repairs later along with your structural auditor's report to the assistant commissioner of your zone, which is Prabhag Adhikaris. And the assistant commissioner on receipt of your letter will examine the condition, will visit the situation. And please note, your all application must include the photographs also. On receipt of your application, the assistant commissioner will examine the situation, they will assess the condition and will issue the conditional permission to do the needful and urgent work required for your building and other things. But there is a condition, special condition laid down by the Government of India and Government of Maharashtra that social distancing, sanitization, covering of your mask and the contractor should be of in situ site, like they should not be allowed to go outside of the site, they should be within the site area only in order to protect them from COVID effect. So in these GRs, there might be some discrepancies which you found, especially for the new engineers and technocrats. I would be highly grateful if they contact me regarding clarification or regarding implementation of GR. Whereas it has been revised on 21st April also, and the collector of Thane has issued the new circular on 27th of April also. Accordingly, the works have to be carried out in different areas of the corporation. For non-corporation areas, the district magistrate, like the tehsildars and other agencies, are authorized to do the work. Whereas after obtaining the permission, you are required to submit the photographs and the details of the site, plus the workers, plus the contractor, to whom there will be passes issued to them, and those passes have to be attested by the police, local police stations, from where like their traveling will be allowed and they can come and go to the site along with the supervisors' passes also. And the engineers and supervisors' passes can also be given on this condition. So, wish you all the best. Hope this COVID-19 ends and its effects ends soon. But before the monsoon comes, our repair activities, our construction activities, up to certain extents, should be done. And I am thankful to the government for relaxing this I am thankful to the government for relaxing the rules for the construction industry. Thank you very much.